Hi everyone. In this video, we look at how to get a 14-day trial for Semrush Guru. As you know, Semrush is one of the most powerful SEO tools, and its Guru plan is its intermediate plan. It gives you extended limits on a lot of the data that you can get compared to the Pro plan. So you can get 15 projects instead of 5, 1500 keywords instead of 500, etc. But more importantly, you also get whole content marketing toolkit. So you can get ideas for content, create content, and optimize them to boost your online visibility. Now, Semrush does offer a free trial for Guru on their website, but it's only for 7 days. You see here. But since I believe in Semrush and I'm an affiliate, I have a special link that will get you an extended free trial of 14 days so you can try out all the features of Semrush Guru. So it's double the length of a regular trial. And 14 days is good enough time to get all the data and reports you need if you want to use Semrush for a few campaigns or if you just want to use it to create an SEO strategy but don't want to continue using it. Now, how to activate the Semrush Guru trial? So all you have to do is click here, try for free. Well, first click on the link in the description, then it will lead you to this page, and then you just click here on try for free, and then it will ask you to create an account. So the next step is to create an account, and I'm going to add an account over here, or you can continue with Google. I'm just going to write create a password, create account. Now it will send you a verification code. So you just go to your verification code. So now I'm going to copy the code and just put it in here. Now my account is verified. And now you will see it is saying that you are subscribing to the Ignite Marketing 14-day free Guru trial plan. And you have trial period of 14 days. Your first charge is $302. Price is dead. But it is not going to be applicable here. Today's charge is $0. So after the 14 days are up, then your credit card will be charged with this amount. So if you don't want to extend the trial beyond 14 days, you don't want to use Semrush beyond 14 days, you can simply cancel your account. Just email them and just cancel the account and you will not be charged. And that's it. You just have to put in your credit card details and you will get access to the trial. Now, yeah, it's a bummer to have to enter the credit card details, and if you just press cancel and back over here, then you will just get access to free account of Semrush, not the free trial, and it is not the same thing. And also make sure that you create an account using an email address that does not have a subscription or a plan right now. You shouldn't have a free account with that email address right now. Otherwise, you will end up with the free account again and you will not get the free trial. So only a couple of things. Use a fresh email address and enter your credit card number. Make sure your today's charge is $0 and you will have access to the trial plan for Guru for 14 days and you can try out all the features. What is the Semrush Guru trial worth? To give you an idea of the value you're getting, let's look at the monthly prices again for Semrush plans. So their Semrush Pro starts at $139.95 per month and the Guru starts at $249.95 per month. So if you get access for 14 days, then you're actually saving half the monthly price, $125. As long as you cancel it within your Semrush trial within 7 days after the 14 days expires, then you can still get your money back. So technically, you even have more than 14 days to try out Semrush Guru. So it's a great way to test out one of the best plans on one of the best SEO tools in the market at absolutely no cost. So there you go. That was an easy way to activate a 14-day trial for Semrush Guru and explore all the advanced features it has to offer. Remember, the link to activate the trial is in the description. If you're interested in activating a 14-day pro trial for Semrush, then check out my other video, which is Semrush free premium account. There is also a link in the description and similar to Semrush Guru. And if you like this video, if you use my link for the trial, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.